Welcome to this technical guide on the HPCS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're watching this, you might be dealing with a cracked screen on your HPCS, which can be quite frustrating. This issue typically arises from accidental drops or impacts, leading to cracks that hinder visibility. If left unrepaired, it could worsen, affecting the internal components and your overall device functionality. To fix this, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement screen specifically for the HPCS. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step repair process. First, ensure your device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Using the plastic opening tool, gently pry open the back cover, starting from one corner and working your way around to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back is off, locate the motherboard and the screen connector. Be careful, as this area can be delicate. You'll see the screen is connected by a few screws. Use the Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove them. Remember to place them in a container so you don't lose any. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the cable that links the screen to the motherboard. At this point, you can lift the old screen out using the suction cup. Take your new screen and align it with the connector, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the cable and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could damage the screen. Once everything is in place, carefully replace the back cover, ensuring all clips are secured. Finally, power on your device to check that the new screen works perfectly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, to prevent future screen damage, consider using a protective case and a screen protector. This will help absorb shocks and prevent cracks from accidental drops. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.